Hi, welcome back. Another important learning in Excel. If function, how it works. Let's try to see. If you would like to learn more things from Excel from my side, please subscribe my channel, Write Your Skills. So let's try to check how we work quickly with some example. If you look at this, here the column E says that the name of the person who appeared for the certification exam, and this is the percentage of the marks. Okay, so these are the percentage he got it, and the result. What exactly? What is the criteria of this exam to pass? 45 and 45 above is pass, else it is fail. Let's try to do that, like, you need not, for example, if you're writing 90 pass, 100 pass, you need not write it, all these things. Okay. So we are going to use a formula. This is a simple table I'm showing you. The same thing you can able to compare. Okay. How big the table it is. It can be like, 1 lakh rows or 10,000 rows. So you can able to use the same formula. Okay. That's the flexibility. Let's try to understand with a simple example. Equal to, okay. Take if function starts. So this cell, we will apply the formula. Then we'll drag it to the same formula to the rest of the rows. Okay. So, is, what is the condition? Is greater than, so more than 44 percentage. Okay. So if this is greater than 44 percentage, so what I am expecting? Okay, it should be passed. Okay. Else, this is the value. If it is false, you can able to see then the brackets. If it is true, then this is the condition. If it is false, then it can be another condition. Okay, fail. Okay. So let's close the brackets. As simple as it is. The condition is, so if it is above the 44 percentage criteria, 44 above means greater than or equal to 45. Either 45 or 45 above. Okay. So this guy is passed. Let's try to drag it down simply. You look at this, 39 less than 44, 44, 45, it is failed. 40, it is failed. 29, it is failed. This is how simple it is. Okay. So this is how you can able to use the if function. We'll try to see further examples in future. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. If you like this video, please like it and please share and subscribe my channel to get more inputs. Thank you so much. Have a great day.